The Munbyn RW405B is a professional-grade thermal printer specifically designed for high-volume, small business shipping and branding. Its standout features include a replaceable print head, which is uncommon in desktop label printers, and the ability to print in two colors, black and red or black and blue, depending which thermal paper you end up getting. I ended up receiving this printer for my honest review and testing, so let's start with the unboxing first. Before we open the box, here is a little bit of the technical specs. So compatibility-wise, this is going to work with iOS, Android, Windows, and the Mac OS. It uses USB or Bluetooth connection. Here is the print head life, 93.2 miles, which is extremely impressive. And here is the rest. Right on top, we have a setup guide. As I mentioned earlier, you can end up printing in color. These are mostly used for stickers. We have blue and black and red and black. And then also you do get a good amount of the labels. These are the ones you're going to be using when you're shipping stuff, and they do peel off so you can immediately stick them on the box. Alright, so we have accessory box. Let's check that out next. Alright, power cable. This is going to be a two-part. We have first part here. Second part here, and then we also do have these two plastic pieces, which I'm gonna assume they're gonna be to hold the labels. We'll check that out a little bit later. All right, so we have one more plastic piece, and I was right, this is gonna be to hold the labels. We'll set that up in a little bit. All right, so here we go with the printer. Design wise, I gotta say I absolutely love it. It's small, but it does have some good amount of weight. We have that white and the gray combo. On the front, we have the feed button and the printer status lights. Right next to that, we have the back feed button and the Bluetooth connection status lights. On the back, we have the on and off switch, USB-C for the wire connection. This is how you can connect it to macOS or the Windows, and this is where we plug it in. Now, let's open this up. All you have to do is just lift it. We also do have some little sharp teeth here so you can rip off the labels. Now, here is the print head. This is the thing that you can actually end up replacing. I do have quite a lot of thermal printers, and this is a very unique feature. Before we turn it on and connect it, let's end up setting up this label stand. Now, this is going to work for labels that are going to be inside the rolls, so you can use small rolls or the big rolls. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is go in the back, push these two items here. You're going to attach them to the holes on the bottom. Then we're going to take these two plastic pieces. Now there's going to be two signs where it says push on both of these. Now these ones are going to be facing inside, and this is going to be on the outside, and it does have different holes here. Alright, so all you have to do is just figure out which holes go here. And it's gonna go like this. So all you have to do is just push it down, and then we're gonna do the same thing on this one. There we go. All right, so here I do have the roll of the black and white stickers. So let's end up installing this. So all we have to do is just open it up a little bit. We're gonna put it in the middle, and then it just closes by itself. Now, this is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and the Android. If you want to use it with the iPhone or Android, you're going to get their app. The app name is going to be called Munbyn Print. So we're going to click on that. Here is all the models. So let's end up turning this on first. I do have it plugged in. We have a light here. So now we're going to select which printer we have, which is RW405B. I'm going to click on that, confirm. And it already found it, so we're going to select that. It's going to say connecting. And just like that, it is already connected. And it's telling us it's out of the paper, which is true. We don't have any paper inside. So now we're just going to take some of these labels. Now you can end up using the full-size labels as well. We're going to adjust the length here. There we go. Now we're just going to push it in more until it gets it. There we go. Now it's going to find the right size here, and it's ready to print. Now in the app, you can end up creating your own templates in different sizes. They also do have the cloud print, quick print, scan print. So let's end up just doing a quick little simple thing. So we're going to look for something in red and black. We have the size selected, so we're just gonna press on the use. And then we're just gonna click on print, and just to show you the print process, when I do click on the print, and just like that, it is finished. So all you have to do is just rip it off, and look at that, beautiful. Now let's see if we can find something that has more red. This one was more of the darker shade, so let's end up going back. Now, obviously, I don't want to waste a bunch of these labels, but if you're printing this for the business, you can click on select and you can end up changing the quantity. So you can do as many labels as you have. I believe this is going to be 150, so you can go 150 labels here. But again, I don't want to keep wasting labels, so we're just going to do one for the example here. And I do like this little stand. It makes it so much easier. If I didn't have the stand, it would have to be on the back of the printer. It might fall off the table or something like that. So having this is a huge bonus as well. So let's end up printing one more. Wow, this one looks really beautiful. Now, since these are labels, you can end up peeling them off and sticking them on the box or somewhere else. Let's put it on the box here. Beautiful. So you can end up using black or red or black and blue labels to highlight fragile warnings or add branding logos without needing ink. It is capable of handling over 5,000 labels per day. And when I say labels, they probably do mean the full-size labels, something like this. Now, the included paper holder can open up from 1.57 inches all the way up to 4.25 inches, so it's going to work with the bigger rolls. I believe these are 4x6. Now, when you feed it, it does give you a little warning. It says let this side face down, and you always want to have the side that's peeling off on the upper position. We're going to feed it to the printer, open it up, put it inside. It's going to take it in. Now it's going to give you green light. It's ready to go. So let's go back inside the app. I'm not going to print the actual label due to the privacy, but let's end up finding another sticker or something like that. All right, I ended up finding a simple one here. Make sure the size is 4x6. So let me just show you this. We're going to click on use, and we're going to click on print, print. And just like that, it is finished. Let's rip it off. And look at that. If this was actually labeled with the address and all that, all you have to do is just, again, peel it off, and then you're going to stick it on the box. I gotta say, my first impression is extremely positive. I do love the design and the size of this printer. Having that label holder on the back is a huge bonus, especially if you have a business where you have to print 50 plus labels a day. Since this doesn't use any ink, in the long run, it is very budget friendly. On top of that, it can work for many, many years. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.